Hello guys, welcome to our very first video on Genesis chapters 1 to 11, the Torah series part 1 by Bible School. And remember, this is our very first video, so smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video, and comment down below if you guys have any questions.
Genesis chapters 1 to 11. Remember, when God did not create the world was dark, and there was nothing. It was just a world of water and darkness, till God created a beautiful place. Let's see how he created it.
The creation. Days of creation in Genesis 1. Day 1, God created the earth, space, time, and light. And in day 2, he created the atmosphere. In day 3, he created the plants and the fruits and the dry land. In day 4, he created the sun, moon, and stars. And in day 5, he created the sea and beautiful flying creatures. And in day 6, he created the land animals and man. And in day 7, he rested.
Adam. God also created Adam. He was the first being that God created. He was made of dirt and his own image. Later on, he also created a woman, Eve, to be with Adam. They had a choice of the tree of good and evil. God provided them with everything they needed in the Garden of Eden. They followed God's rules until one day Satan came in disguise and tempted Eve to take a bite of the good and evil fruit. And then she also made Adam take it. Once God was furious and came down and I was gonna tell them to go out of the Garden of Eden. They were hiding and they were ashamed and they realized they were naked. And once God told them that, they started blaming it on each other. And also, Satan got a punishment for deceiving Eve.
Cain and Abel. After they were kicked out of the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve bore 3 brothers, Cain, Abel, and Seth. Seth was the youngest, Cain was the oldest, and Abel was the second oldest. But their oldest son, Cain, became so jealous of Abel that he had an intention of killing Abel. He became jealous because they both sacrificed goods to God, and Cain's offering did not get chosen, and Abel's did. And he got so jealous that he wanted to kill his brother. But God told him not to get into that temptation, but it was no use. After killing Abel, he later then goes and builds his own village of people who are chaos and destructive. And remember, Cain was a farmer and Abel was a shepherd.
Cain started his own village. The village was corrupted. One day, there was a guy named Lumsh who married more than one wife, which we should not do. And he also sung a song to prove he was more violent than Cain. God got very mad and chose his trusted person, Noah, to build an ark with his sons Shem, Ham, and Japheth. So they have built the ark, and so now God told Noah to put 2 kinds of every animal, male and female. Also, the ark was Genesis 6:14-16.
So make yourself an ark of cypress wood, make rooms in it, and coat it with pitch inside and out. This is how you are to build it. The ark is to be 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. Make a roof for it, leaving below the room an opening 1 cubit high all around. Put a door in the side of the ark, and make a lower, middle, and upper decks. The world was flooded for 371 days. And we give credit
to the Bible and all the pictures we use. Thank you for watching our video, and we will be uploading our part 2, Genesis chapter 12 to 50 next week. Please subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.
And smash that like button
if you want to. We don't force you to subscribe either.
Alright, see ya.